In this video, we will talk about how to use Oracle SQL Developer Extension in VS Code. So let's start. Here is my VS Code home screen, and if you see multiple options here like our explore, search, and this is source control, run in debugger, this is the extension, and here SQL Developer Extension icon. So first we will see how to get that extension, and then when you install the extension, it looks like this. So the idea is, if you are developer and you are working on Oracle database or any type of role, but you are interacting with Oracle database, then you might know what is SQL developer and why we use that. But until now what was happened, we just download the SQL developer and install it in machine separately, and we connect to the database with the separate GUI. But here the Oracle just launched a SQL Developer Extension for VS Code, so we can just install the extension in this ID. So we have all the things at one place. No need to install separate things and no need to open separate window to work with database, right? So let me tell you how to get that extension and how to use that. So here if you see what kind of extension, whatever extension you are looking for, you can just go this use this icon and you can search here. See, in my machine these many extensions are already installed, so it is showing list of installed extension installed, right? If you don't have an extension, you can search it Oracle SQL Developer Extension here. Okay, so it looks like this. So you can just click on that, and here you can see it is uninstall option is there because it is already installed. So if it is not installed, it should be there installed. So you can just click on install. But before that, let me tell you some details about this. This is already provided by Oracle, not third party. Okay, and these are the downloads, install count, and this is the rating you can see, and this is the installation summary like SQL Developer. This is version 24.4.1 and last updated date. The size of extension is 481 MB, and these are the details. Okay, you can read out about every extension whatever you are installing in your machine to get it understand what are the things covered in this extension. So this is the feature list. JSON duality view it supports. If you are developer, you know what are those things. Connectivity, see it provides the same connectivity option just like SQL developer. It provides separately, right? Which was installed in machine, right? And here you can see schema navigation. You can navigate like all the objects, and these many objects are supported by this extension. Okay, object browser features, these are the features you can read out in details. So SQL worksheet, SQL area, you can write any SQL query, and this support multiple format of data. Okay, these are the export. You can export data from here also, and the CSV file, everything is supported. PLS SQL code editor, it also provides those facility, right? PL SQL debugger. So everything you need is at one place. The idea is, so this is the beauty of this extension. So just if you install, it looks like this, and let me tell you how to get connected and how to start working on this. So I will close this. Okay, so if you already installed, the icon should be there after some few seconds. So let me click on it. Let me close it first. Okay, and here you can just open. So I already made a connection, that is Oracle Database 20 AI free. It is database already installed. Let me check TNS ping output. Okay, free for this database. If you see, the database is already connected, installed in my machine, that is 23rd AI free. Okay, so this is the details host name. In your case this might be different, and the support number, this is the SID, this is free. Okay, so I'm creating connection. So I already created connection. Let me tell you what are the things I put it. But if you want to create new connection, you can click from here as well. Okay, you can just click on here and you can provide a connection details here like connection name, username, password, what are the role you want to connect. Okay, and what type of connection, basic, JDBC, cloud wallet, TNS, whatever it is, host name, port number, type, service ID or SID, service name or SID, and this you can test it and you can just connect it. So let me open my connection here. What are the things I provided? I provided connection name here. I am connecting this DBA, this password. Let me put the password. Okay, and here this is the host name. This is my local laptop. This is a port number. This is I installed Oracle on Windows machine. Okay, and service name I am using free. So let me test this connection. If a connection gets succeeded, it will show the message, see, test passed, the connection Oracle 20 free. Now let me connect it. It is getting connected. If you see here, right? Let me navigate. So these are many objects you can see here from the left side. You can explore every table, view, indexes, package, whatever it is. And if you want to write a query, you can just right click on here and open the SQL work area. Let me check the database name. Database, right? So if any syntax mistake, it will auto correct those syntax mistakes just like a code, right? So this is very nice. I can say, see I can see the result here, output window, problem tracking, everything. You can SQL history, task monitor, there are multiple options here this window. So this is perfectly fine. Let me execute one more query. Okay, see, I'm connecting assist. So every need you can fulfill with this extension. Okay, I don't want to save here. So this is all about SQL Developer Extension for VS Code. In case you have any query, you can feel free to put in the comment. I will help you. Thanks for watching.